Hey, here's a lesson for Old Man by Neil Young on the baritone ukulele. So the first thing you got, we're gonna have this little chord here. It's gonna be the 5th fret of the 3rd string and the 6th fret of the 2nd string. It's like a D minor 7 kind of chord. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit the D bass first, and then we're gonna kind of hit the chord but hammer in from open to 5th on that 3rd string. Okay, so that's our first little thing, the intro. And then, so that was first the D, and then the D sus2, which is where you have the open on the bottom, and you hammer into that 2. So that was like a 3-2 to O2 on the bottom as you're strumming the chord. So bum 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 ba da 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 dum. Kind of does that hammer 3 times. Now wait, and when you come down to this D chord, make sure you hit that bass note first before you get into that thing, because it's right after that, like downbeat. So. Okay, so let's slow that down and play it together nice and slow. 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now you're gonna do that 2 more times as he sings the first verse. So let's look at that 4th time. F, C to the G, D to F, and then this time C to F, and then the verse follows that same progression, C to G there after the D to F, and then we got D, F, and sometimes you can make it F major 7, 3, 2, 1, open. So you can make it an F sometimes, and sometimes you can make it an F major 7. Listen to the song a little bit and see where you like to do that, you know. Adds a little bit of style points when it feels right. Sometimes you just want that simple F, but sometimes you can get that more emotional sounding F major 7. So the first time it always goes to the G, and then the second time to the F, and then the C back to the F. Sometimes it almost feels like it waits a tiny bit before it gets from that. There's where we get into our chorus. We got a little riff on that D. Kind of a 3-2 to O2, and then A minor to E minor. A minor, E minor. Now once we've done the D and the A minor to E minor, 1 time instrumental and then 3 times singing for the chorus. So the first time it'd be instrumental, and then he starts singing. Like you. 2 more lines with vocals. 1 more. I'm gonna go major 7. C to G, D to F, C to F, and then another verse. Then this time to the F, more verse, G, C to F, and then we're back to the chorus. A minor, E minor. And then after we're done with that bit, we go back to the intro. D to the F, C to G, okay, so once again we have the intro. And then we got the last time of that intro gets the D going into the F and the C to G. And then D to F, and then C to F. And then we get into the chorus. Little D with a riff, and then A minor, E minor. And then when that chorus is done, doing that a bunch of times, you got D back to F, C to G, and D to F, C to F. Okay, alright, Old Man by Neil Young. Thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any comments or any suggestions for another tune to do next. Thanks a lot.